Parenting, traveling, designing, what they all have in common is that they're all growth. They're all ways that you grow. They're all ways that you get inspired. Every day I will learn more and grow from those different things. When I'm working, I certainly miss my kids. Luckily, it's not so long. It's a normal day. I know they're in school. I know they're happy. I know they're busy. When I'm away though, it's a little bit different. I definitely make sure we do a FaceTime once a day. And otherwise, I just try to remember that I'm doing a job that I love. I'm inspiring my children by the work that I do, and that I'll be back soon. I think it's really important to bring your kids with you, to travel, to see things while you can. Plus, I just think that kids love being exposed to things. Like when they're little, their brain soaks up so much, so they will learn so much from that situation, new languages, just being aware, I think, of what's around them and that it's not just about here right now. They're often doing things that I have never thought about or I haven't done in a really long time. Their ideas, some of the things that they draw, different color combinations, it really just is so fun to see things through their eyes. Probably my biggest piece of advice for working women, mothers, is try not to feel guilty. I know it's really hard because you do honestly feel guilty every day that you are choosing to be away from your children and working. And the thing is that I really feel like what's helped me with it is knowing that I'm showing them what's possible. I'm showing them that they can create something from scratch. They can build a job or a career that they love. And to me, that makes it so much better.